It's not every day I come across laundry detergent I can trust. Matter of fact, it's extremely rare. But the laundry detergent from Laverie is one of the most transparent, trustworthy brands you can use for your home and daily life. And that's a statement I can stand behind 100%. Let's talk about it. Hey, what's up? I'm Rakima. Welcome to Detailed Dream, where the primary focus is to expose you to the expansive world of luxury goods for yourself and your home. So, when it comes to laundry detergent, there aren't that many luxury options to choose from, and I mean luxury as in detergent with better ingredients that will help with the maintenance and longevity of clothing and linens, especially clothing of a higher fabric. My main go to brand for laundry maintenance was the Laundress, up until they had that major recall some time ago. Since then, they've returned and everything seems to be back to normal, but it's an incredible brand for laundry. I haven't picked up anything from the Laundress since the recall. I'm sure I'll be back buying things from them soon. And if you bought anything from them recently, let me know your experience. In saying all of this, when they went under for that time, I was left with no backup brand for laundry. It's not like candles where I can just go to the closet and pick something else. Like I said, luxury laundry brands are very hard to come by. I was not prepared, to say the least, but I did know one thing for sure. After experiencing this other world of laundry care, I needed something of the same quality. And that's when I came across the beautiful brand of Laverie. Apologies if I'm mispronouncing the name. I believe I've been using this laundry care brand for almost 2 years at this point, and honestly, I never looked back. I'm going on a record now by saying this is one of the best products I've ever used for my home, period. Laverie is actually a US brand founded by Miss Beck, who's a fashion and luxury entrepreneur in Korea. Her goal with this brand is to ultimately make everyday life better. She believes all things in our lives can be made beautiful and safe. And y'all know I love a mission that I can align with myself. It's the fact that she talks about clothing being a part of our memories, our comfort, our style, and how we take care of them should be a considered decision. Now that's what I can relate to with home fragrance. Beautiful mission statement, and what made me very excited when I first came across this brand. We'll get to the detergent in a second, but I want to talk about something that's very important. And that's why do I trust this brand so much? And it's not because of how aesthetically pleasing the brand is. I personally trust Laverie because of their commitment to create home and personal care products that exceed expectations. They believe a great product should never have to compromise or conform to the rest of the industry. They want to change it from the inside out by never compromising on their sustainability or their goals. They really focus on creating products to the highest standard. Laverie is a love letter to the fabrics that we love for better everyday life, and I appreciate this level of commitment to show that there's a choice for something better. I tend to question everything nowadays, and it's just a breath of fresh air to know that these types of brands exist. I can go on and on about this topic, but I think you get what I'm saying. Let's get to the laundry detergent. So the detergent is ultra concentrated, but keeps to that sustainable, non-toxic aspect by being infused with skincare grade and baby safe ingredients with stain removing enzymes that's great for sensitive skin. I have the type of sensitive skin that breaks out with the slightest breeze of air, so finding a detergent that truly performed well was imperative. And after 2 years, I can say no skin irritation at all, even with this being hyper concentrated. Well done. And with the design of the bottles, they have a very minimal look to them. I think the design language lies within the shape and the height of the bottle. It's well executed to give them more of a modern feel, with the look of being higher end or luxury. Going to grab the bottle makes me feel like I'm using something that's actually worth washing my clothes with. It feels like I'm about to feed my clothes a Michelin star meal. My only dislike about the bottles is the pouring situation. At one point, the bottles used to come with this pour spout. I think that's what you call it. I recently restocked and was shocked to see the bottles didn't come with this little convenient contraption anymore. Luckily, I still had a bottle left, so I took it from that and I guess I'll continue to transfer it. I think there was a change because they now come with the pump dispenser. I purchased one a while ago, but I honestly never liked it because it would constantly drip, which was money just dripping away. So since then, I just gravitated towards the pouring spout because I really love that you can control the pour. The top also doubles as a measuring cup, so that's an option as well. But laundry detergent liquid has a mind of its own, and the residual liquid would somehow start dripping down the side. I'm nitpicking at this point, but it is unsightly. Okay, so when it comes to the longevity, This 30-ounce size bottle lasts me about 3 to 4 months depending on how much laundry I have. Most of my clothes go to the cleaners, so I mostly just have loads of things like underwear, socks, t-shirts, nightwear, and the usual linens. Not random things, but the necessities. And all it takes to wash a load of laundry is only a tablespoon of detergent. Nothing more, nothing more. I have to say I'm very proud of myself because the old me would have ran through this in less than 2 months if I'm doing laundry once a week. But now, this lasts about 4 months, and that's with 2 people. I imagine it would be a lot different if I had a big family. If so, I would definitely be using the gallon-size detergent from the laundress. But a 30-ounce size bottle I would say is great for personal use or a couple. So at the current moment, there are only 2 scent choices to choose from, which I have. The first one is called Wind, which is a fragrance-free option, but still provides a gentle, fresh feel to clothing without any lack in quality. The exact experience as the other scent, which is called Forest. That one has an extremely subtle, fresh green scent of cypress. I mean, the scent, it's almost fragrance-free, but there's just the slightest hint of a scent there to give off a more fresh, clean aroma. This is if you want something with a little scent to it, a little something extra. There's also a travel size of both scents at 2 ounces. Great if you like doing laundry on vacation, I guess. Also great if you want to just try out the brand before committing to the 30-ounce size. Laverie also has stain remover as well, which I have no experience with. If you have it, let us know your experience in the comments. Also, let me know of any other luxury laundry brands that I should know of. I think laundry care is severely underrated because just by using a good detergent on good fabrics can make them last for an extremely long time without them breaking down. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.